All right, welcome back to another National PSI Real Estate Exam Prep. And today we're going to talk about forms of ownership. More specifically, we're going to go over 5 questions to help you pass your PSI National Real Estate Exam with their explanations around freehold estates. So, question number 1, a life estate conveys to the life tenant B, ownership for life. A conventional life estate is a type of freehold estate that endures the lifetime of the life tenant. This form of life estate is established through a voluntary agreement between two parties. On the other hand, a legal life estate is created by legal principles, as seen in cases like a spouse's dowry rights upon the passing of their partner. In contrast, a periodic tenancy represents a less than freehold estate granting the right of property possession on an annual basis. And finally, a revisionary interest is present when the individual who establishes a life estate reserves the right to regain a fee simple estate once the life estate comes to an end. Question number 2. Which of these best describes a fee simple absolute estate? It is the maximum estate in land and lasts forever. Fee simple absolute estates characterized by the broadest and most extensive set of property rights are typically conveyed from one owner to another during the transfer of title, ensuring their duration. Conversely, the inclusion of a deed condition results in the establishment of a fee simple defeasible or qualified estate subject to certain conditions or restrictions. Question number 3. The type of real estate ownership that is most all-inclusive is a fee simple absolute estate. A fee simple absolute estate stands as the most extensive and unqualified form of real estate ownership legally acknowledged. Possessing a fee simple estate equates to absolute ownership, conferring upon the owner every conceivable right related to the property. On the other hand, a life estate represents a freehold estate enduring for the duration of the life of the designated life tenant. Conversely, a qualified fee estate is constrained by specific conditions, which may be imposed through an agreement or mandated by law. Additionally, a revisionary interest comes into play when ownership of a life estate reverts back to the original owner upon the conclusion of the life estate period. Question number 4. When defining ownership estates, the term estate refers to a person's legal rights in the land or property. Regarding property ownership, the term estate denotes the set of legal rights a person possesses in relation to a piece of land. These rights encompass various privileges, such as the right to occupy, transfer, or place liens on the property. It's important to note that estates aren't contingent upon physical size or value of the land. Among these estates, a fee simple estate stands out as the most comprehensive, as it confers the greatest array of rights over the land. And question number 5. The holder of a revisionary interest in a qualified fee estate might be able to obtain title to the property if the holder of the qualified fee estate breaks the deed condition. A revisionary interest holder maintains the privilege to reclaim a property in the event that a deed condition is violated or remains unfulfilled. If the condition is indeed breached, the revisionary interest holder has the option to pursue a legal remedy in order to regain ownership of the property. In the context of a life estate, should a remainderman pass away, The remainder interest then passes to their heirs. However, it's essential to note that the holder of a revisionary interest lacks the authority to modify the terms and conditions of a qualified fee estate. Conversely, a holder of a qualified fee estate is allowed to sell the property as long as the established conditions or restrictions associated with the qualified fee estate remained in effect. All right, this was 5 questions to help you pass your PSI National Real Estate Exam. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, because every week we drop another video to help you pass your PSI National Real Estate Exam.